Here is a question from aerodynamics, question number 1.322 from hydrodynamics or fluid mechanics, and in this question it is given that what work should be done in order to squeeze all water from a horizontally located cylinder during the time t by means of a constant force acting on the piston. The volume of the water in the cylinder is equal to V and cross-sectional area of the orifice is small s, which with small s being considerably less than the piston area. The friction and viscosity are negligibly small. This is the corresponding diagram of our given question. So from the question, for solving this question we will use the work energy theorem, applying work energy theorem. From work energy theorem we know work done W will be equal to change in kinetic energy. But there are two types of work which are done on the piston. One is work done due to force, and second one is work done due to atmospheric pressure, which will be in aggregate equal to change in kinetic energy. So this is our equation number 1. Now power will be equal to rate of change of work done with respect to time, that is dW with respect to dt, and that is again equal to force into velocity Fv, or force can be described as pressure into area of cross section P into S into V. So this is our required power. Now power due to atmospheric pressure, power due to atmospheric pressure will be equal to 0, because power due to atmosphere, P atmosphere, will be equal to P atmosphere will be equal to P naught S V1 minus P naught small s VE, where V is the velocity of the piston and VE is the velocity of a flask or velocity of the fluid jet. Now from continuity equation, as we know, area of cross section into velocity is equal to constant. So which implies from the continuity equation, S into V is equal to small s into VE. So we can write SV minus SVE, small s VE is equal to 0. So from this decision we can say that the power due to atmosphere is equal to 0. Now from equation number 1, we can write WF is equal to del KE, means change in kinetic energy. Now we have to calculate the change in kinetic energy. So calculation for del KE, change in kinetic energy. So as we see here, WF is equal to del K, which is equal to half m BE square. Now as we know, mass equal to volume into density, so we can write this as equal to half V rho into VE square. Now from the equation of continuity, now using the volume conservation, suppose T is the time taken in eject out, so our volume will be V means volume will be equal to surface area into velocity of a flask S into VE into T, or we can write this VE or velocity of a flask VE equal to V divided by ST. Now we will use the value of VE in our equation of WF. So if you substitute this value, then our force by work done by force will be equal to half V into rho into V divided by ST square. So that will be again equal to half V cube rho divided by S square T square. So our force work done due to, so our work done by the applied force WF will be equal to half into V cube rho divided by S square T square T square. So this is our necessary or required value for work done by the force.